Testing, mic check, 1, 2. Yo, what's good, my peoples? It's IllRoller16 bringing you guys another video. This one's gonna be a quick little update of a new video series that I am gonna be starting here right after this message. What I'm looking to do is connect with my audience as much as possible, as frequently as possible, without any middleman involved. For example, if I'm waiting on a machine shop or the upholstery shop, etc., I haven't been able to give you guys update because I'm waiting on somebody. So for me to connect with you guys at least once a month or every few weeks, what I'm gonna start doing is POV driving videos. I go driving quite often, a lot of times at night, sometimes in the morning, sometimes in the afternoon. But I arguably live in the best state in the whole nation, here in Florida, in Tampa Bay. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna be taking whatever car's running at the moment, which obviously right now is the all-motor MX3 project, and it's 110 horsepower, 1.6 Glory.
Is a 1.6, 100% stock intake, stock exhaust, and all of its 110 horsepower Glory.
So we're gonna do that as we transition into the MZR swap eventually. And what more would I love than to take the Turbo MX3 when it's up and running, but right now as it sits here to my right, it has no engine in it. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys want to hear on the POV driving videos. If you guys want more talking, you guys just want the windows down, and just, spirited driving. You guys let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll do my best to deliver within reason. But anyways, without further ado, make sure to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get to the first episode of the POV driving videos. Enjoy, my peoples. Salute.